Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesalers Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to test or check your fuses on your power converters. So I have two different models here. This one right here is going to be an external power converter. So this unit right here is going to be found normally hidden somewhere, really hard to get to. So this is going to have two 35 amp fuses built onto the unit. Like I said, this is external, so you're going to find this in a cabinet or something. Normally this is found on the fifth wheel model. And if you look right down here, this is for the normal 30 amp panel. This panel, you're going to find the converter located at the bottom here, and the actual fuses themselves are going to be located with the other 12 volt fuses in the panel. So two there. There's going to be normally two on every converter. Some of them have three. So these are 40 amps. The other one's 35. Like I said, if you having any issues with your converter or your battery not charging, that's the first thing you go to. So check the fuses.
What does a good fuse versus a bad fuse look like?
So in this situation, a bad fuse, if you look through here, this little element in the middle right there is going to be burnt up. Super easy to see. That's why they make these transparent. That's going to be a good fuse. If it's bad, this is going to be blown right here, right in the middle. All right. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.